It's exciting to see that. Pressure, agar le to then we'll never be able to make these films. Because I'll tell you what, these films need a certain sense of conviction. I always go to the kids and ask them that, aapko achhi lagi film? And it's amazing to see how they come out of the theater excited. Yeah, we loved it. Then I say, oh, I've made the film. Then they have 20,000 questions.
But while the movie is receiving all the love possible
Correct.
and box office is just amazing, there is a section of people who are also criticizing the film as
Right.
weak film.
It's again a perception. In Marathi literature, there's this one character that a lot of amazing literature has been written about, which is Karna. And I feel he's a very, very fascinating character to work around. Maybe the next film that I'm looking forward to in MSU could be Shakti Shalini, maybe it could be something else, maybe it could be Munja too. Because I think Deepika ka se
Yeah.
shuruaat hui hai. You have to understand where it is coming from. Why is she asking for 8 hours? Now, Rashmika, when she comes, she works for 12 hours.
Okay.
Never ever has she said, I'm tired.
Hello and welcome to News 18. This is Shachi Chaturvedi and today in conversation with me is the director of Thama, Aditya Sarpurdar. Hi Aditya, how are you? Welcome to News 18. How does it feel?
It feels exciting. We are now, starting our second week.
Yes.
And see the love, the appreciation, the excitement that the film has got so far in the first week
Yeah.
is very satisfying as a filmmaker. And it feels that, chalo, kahi to you're going on the right track with the films you're making.
But Aditya, back-to-back hits, 100 crore crossed already. So does it put any pressure on you for what you do next?
More than the pressure, I feel like it's always about the excitement. Because you are always waiting to see what you have thought of, this world you're creating, how people are going to take it. उनको कैसे अच्छा लगेगा नहीं लगेगा उनके point of view क्या होंगे. So that excitement is always there. The pre-release ना, we've seen the film and we know what it is. So we are waiting to see that अभी चलो दुनिया को दिखाते हैं so that the world sees the film and they have their take on it. And I'm really excited to see and hear and understand what I thought of. Is it resonating with the audience or is the audience looking at something completely in a different perspective? So it's exciting to see that. Pressure, agar late to then we'll never be able to make these films. Because I'll tell you what, these films need a certain sense of conviction. They need a certain sense of world building. They are mythical stories. They are make-believe characters, vampire, Munja, Brahma Rakshas, all Bhediya. All these characters come from a different world altogether. So first and foremost, we have to be excited to make them. We have to look at them as fanboys. क्या इसको बनाते वक्त हमें मजा आना चाहिए. अगर हमें मजा आएगा तो दुनिया को मजा आएगा देखते वक्त उसको. तो we enjoy the process. There's always a bit of pressure where we have to live up to an expectation of an audience. But it always is also a lot of excitement that we know that we are doing something different and we know that the audience is evolved enough to want to watch something different. The idea is we want to give a big screen experience. And for that, to push the VFX, to push the scale, and to make it bigger and grander, has to always be the idea. And वो excitement और वो थोड़ा pressure होता है कि और बड़ी कैसे करें और उसमें मजा बहुत आता है.
But Acha, Thama and Munja are both part of same universe,
Yeah.
but entirely different stories.
Correct.
Grandeur
Scale
भी
अलग
अलग था, scale भी अलग था. Everything was different.
Yeah.
What according to you was more difficult for you to shoot as a director?
Difficult से ज़्यादा challenging, I would say.
हाँ.
What was more challenging for me to shoot is sequences where there was a lot of VFX involved. क्योंकि क्या था ना, उसमें you are imagining a certain kind of a character जो CG में आने वाला है, and you have to kind of right from blocking, जैसे कैमरा फ्रेम लगा रहे हो till actor perform कर रहा है, everything is make believe.
हाँ.
And you're kind of putting markers, you're putting a character in a grey suit, आप कुछ stand पे कुछ लगा देते हो, क्या यहाँ भेड़िया होगा, यहाँ से कूदेगा, तो वो करने में थोड़ा challenging होता है. मजा भी आता है, but it's a massive collective team effort where VFX supervisor, VFX team, stunt coordinator, everybody is kind of sitting and making a plan of how to execute this. So the whole Bhediya fighting Alok sequence जो था, वरुण and आयुष्मान का face off, वो सबसे challenging था इस फिल्म में. और because I did Munja, I realized that when Abhay was acting with a CG character, जो Munja था,
हाँ.
उसके challenges क्या थे? It was in the same world, because when Varun becomes that big bad werewolf and he fights Ayushmann, it's basically the same dynamics. That Ayushmann is basically acting with a character that's not there on set. So, वो पता था कैसे करते हैं, But this time we had to kind of level up because they are running from rooftop to rooftop. Paharganj hai wo, Delhi ka. So there is all this neon lit glow signs. There is a sense of the Delhi night vibe. So mazedar karna tha, and I'm glad when I see the film in the theaters now with audience. When you have that moment when Varun comes up and he becomes that werewolf, people go crazy, man. And it's so fun and amazing to see ऐसे reactions, especially from kids. You know, when kids react to that, and I ask them, "Yaar, क्या अच्छा लगा?" Like the Bhedia sequence was too good. So for us, it's a big एक pat on the back, you know, कि आप सही कर रहे हैं.
बट दैट सीन मैं भी उसी की बात करने वाली थी. इट वॉज द मोस्ट अनएक्सपेक्टेड वन. एक तो इट इज ऑलमोस्ट इन द सेंटर ऑफ द फिल्म,
Yes.
एंड ऊपर से वी नेवर थॉट, और आई नेवर थॉट कि दे वुड पिट अगेंस्ट ईच अदर.
Yeah.
सो हाउ वाज दैट आइडिया?
It came from 2-3
हाँ.
references.
हाँ.
एक तो यह है कि we have known that vampires and werewolves are arch enemies. In general idea, which is जो एक world over हमने देखी है फिल्में, एक understanding और legend वो है कि vampires and werewolves never get along. But now we already had set up a Bhedia, which was our werewolf. Wolf था, but हमारा version अभी werewolf का बना. And there was a Thama, which was your Betal, your quintessential vampire, Indian vampire. So इन दोनों की अगर यूनिवर्स में एंट्री होने वाली है एक साथ, ये ऑलरेडी है, ये आ रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली देयर हैज टू बी सम, हटा के तो देयर हैव टू बी फायर क्रैकर्स. एंड we wanted this to happen to a point where it excites the audience, and it really scales up the storytelling of the universe and not only Thama. So that's why I feel Thama is a very tricky film and a very important film for the universe.
Right.
Because it doesn't tell only the story of these two characters who are Ayushmann and Rashmida's characters. It tells you the story of the universe coming together also. So if you see the second half, you will see the universe actually kind of all these stories converging. कि कहाँ से सरकटा भी आ रहा है, आपका जना भी आ रहा है, पाटरे भी है और भास्कर भी है, और ये सब आके कर क्या रहे हैं. It has to feel organic. And what I really feel has worked, and I'm really happy that people have reacted that way, is people have said that the cameos have worked. For me, they are not cameos. They are actually characters from our stories. And they are not stars coming in for star value. They are actors coming in as characters into our reinventing themselves into the same horror comedy universe, which is pretty fascinating, you know, to see the love that Bhedia got, and to see now when you have him back into Thama. He's been actually a part of every other film.
राइट.
जब में भी वरुण आता है एंड में, एंड स्क्रोल, स्त्री 2 में वरुण कम्स इन फाइट्स. तो वी हैड टू लेवल अप यार. वी हैड टू से कि चलो अभी वरुण जब आएगा ना, इट हैज टू टेक हिम समवेयर एल्स, एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट्स हैपनिंग.
But while the movie is receiving all the love possible
Correct.
and box office is just amazing, there is a section of people who are also criticizing the film as
Right.
weak film
Okay.
in the MHCU.
Right.
When this criticism comes to you, how do you take it?
But I'll tell you what, now, it's again a perception. I
Yeah.
feel there's a lot of noise that goes around when a film releases, any film. And that noise comes from all ends.
Yeah.
Good, bad, ugly, great, whatever it is. I do agree that everyone is entitled to their opinion of what they expect from the film. And I'll tell you where I'm coming from. If anybody says this is a weak film, it doesn't come from only the fact it's a weak film. It comes from maybe a fact you were expecting a lot more, and then that is not where the film lands for us. So that's why we feel it's a weak film. But I do feel that there is a certain sense of appreciation also in this world for the fact that we are building a universe. And in that universe, all those who are saying कि ये weak film है, I can guarantee this to you that it doesn't disconnect them from the universe. They'll come back for the next one. So ये may be हो सकता है from the expectation that a certain set of audience has for a vampire film. Now when we approach this, like, and I'll also refer to a film called Loka, because there's a lot of, I'm seeing a lot of videos जहाँ पे comparison हो रहा है. मुझे लग रहा है कि the only fact that it's a vampire film is the only common thread in it. The whole genre is different. The whole take on the film is different. Ours is a very quintessential Diwali family entertainer. The whole idea of making my film is a film that fits into a space where you with your entire family can say कि चलो इस दिवाली या छुट्टियों में क्या देखना है, तो थामा देखना है, क्योंकि बच्चों को भी देखने में मजा आए और बुजुर्ग जो घर में है उनको भी उतना ही वो फिल्म कनेक्ट लगे. That's why परेश जी, गीता जी का जो कैरेक्टर है, the involvement of a भेड़िया, all this is done so that it feels like a festival entertainer. in that sense, when we are mounting a film like this, we understand the fact that it has to have spooks and not horror to a point where kids can't watch it. It has to have laughs so that everybody understands the humor that's coming from into the film. So if I'm a genuine horror fan and I walk into the film wanting to watch a dark vampire, very brooding drama set piece, I might be disappointed because अरे वो ये film है ही नहीं. It depends. What are you walking in with? How open are you to watching a film that entertains you against a vampire film that's very, very true to a certain genre that these films have been known for? So ये हो सकता है. And I do feel that I do get a basic sense of what the vibe is on social media, but I personally always prefer to go to the theaters. Film release के पहले ना आप ये नहीं कर सकते हो. Film release के पहले ना I try to disconnect from social media जितना हो सके. Because I'm making my film. I want to enjoy making my film. The first criteria is when the film releases, I do a theater tour. I go from single screens to multiplexes and sit or observe कि लोग क्या react कर रहे हैं. From there, when you get a certain sense that what are they liking, what are they not liking, what is really working for them, not working for them, I always go to the kids and ask them that आपको अच्छी लगी film? And it's amazing to see how they come out of the theater excited. Yeah, we loved it. They're ऐसे कि I made the film. Then they have 20,000 questions. कि इसका क्या होने वाला है, फिर उसका क्या होने वाला है, फिर अभी भैया बाद में कहाँ जाएगा, फिर ये आयुष्मान थामा बन गया है, he's become super powerful, ये क्या करेगा. So for me, that is my biggest critique. To convince or to entertain that age group of an audience is not easy. And I have made a film like Munja where I realized that this audience is an extremely faithful audience, a very hard to please audience, and they are the ones who actually will come for your films in the next 10 years. So it's exciting to see various reactions, but I feel, chalo, every reaction, everyone is entitled.
Yeah. If I talk about you, there is this Marathi film,
Yeah.
Zombie Willy,
Yeah.
based on zombies
Yeah.
and super hit that too. What is this obsession, fascination for superhero and these kind of films?
So Zombie Willy for me again was a film that was a very different film because I'd never made a horror comedy till then. And for me, horror comedy क्या होता था कि you are always making a statement on where the society is headed, where we are at, and you're twisting it completely on its head. तो डोंबिवली में zombies आएंगे और अगर तुम्हारे रोज जो आपके लाइफ में जो लोग दिखते हैं, राइट फ्रॉम फ्रूट सेलर्स टू ऑटो ड्राइवर्स टू पुलिस स्टेशन के कॉप्स, एवरीबडी, इफ दैट होल पैंडेमिक हिट्स देम, what will happen and how they become zombies, then that idea for me was very exciting. That survival in a zombie pandemic. And the way that film got a lot of appreciation and a lot of love. अभी भी मिलता है उसको ना. I get these videos and comments. इस zombie बहुत मजा आया था देख के. So I feel ये genre ऐसा था ना कि यहाँ पे आपका audio visual world building भी होता है. Technically also you get to make some really challenging films. And storytelling wise also they are very, very challenging because you're making people laugh and get them scared and make them believe that this could happen. See, in a world like Thama, to believe or to even understand or come to that point where you're like, अरे ये ऐसे जंगल में ये वैम्पायर्स रहते हैं, दिल्ली में एक पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर है जो खुद वैम्पायर है, और ये ऐसी एक दुनिया है अपने आजू बाजू जो घूम रहे लोग, इसमें से कोई वैम्पायर निकल रहे हैं ना निकले पता ही नहीं. It's so exciting.
Yeah.
To kind of be in that position. You actually think, oh, maybe this is possible.
Yeah.
And it's just imagination. But you always get excited with this imagination, right? So with Munja, it was similar. That ऐसे कोई creature आएगा आपके साथ आपके घर पे और उसको शादी करनी है एक लड़की से और वो possessed पागल है, तो आपकी लाइफ से तो लग जाएगी. And that, I think, puts you into that imagination. You become Bittu, who is Abhay.
Yeah.
You become Paresh ji, जिसको लगता है कि मेरा बेटा अभी मर चुका है और वो अभी उसका क्या होगा, कि अभी तो ये भूत है या क्या है. तो these human elements in these films to react to these supernatural elements is the most fun, which was Zombie also.
Right.
जो अमेय भाग और उनके characters थे, the humans that were not affected, how they reacted to this massively changing world, and that's a lot of fun to do. And I think ये genre ऐसा है कि at least I will never have enough of it, and I'll keep on exploring other ways of doing it differently.
Okay, Dinesh Vision had said that Thama में किसी कैरेक्टर का स्पिन ऑफ होने वाला है. Is it Nawaz's character?
अगर आपने फिल्म देखी है तो आपको तो ये डेफिनेटली पता ही है कि ये सारे कैरेक्टर्स आगे जाके इनकी स्टोरी कंटिन्यू हो रही है.
Right.
There's no point in me denying it because yes, Nawaz has now escaped. Yes, Sarkata has helped him. Spoilers है basically ये तो, but now we can talk about it because people have seen the film. Yes, now Ayushman has become more powerful. Yes, now Varun has nearly found him. Bhedia has come to the Thama world. So अभी क्या होने वाला है? So all these stories have left you on a cliffhanger. What next? Now what next पे तो every question that you have will be answered in some film or the other.
Yeah.
Will it be a standalone spin-off? Will it be will all your questions be answered over 2-3 films? How that unfolds is, I think, very exciting for an audience to wait and watch. And there is definitely a plan, but I would rather suggest that as an audience, you enjoy it the most when it is revealed on screen.
Very smartly, have left the question mark as a question mark
So
only.
that's the best. You know, I have been in a position where I have had this massive fanboy moments with Marvel, when Marvel was at its peak. And I had my theories. I would read about theories. We used to discuss, friends, कि यार ये हो अभी कैप्टन अमेरिका और आयरन मैन की तो झगड़ा हो गया, तो अभी इसके टीम में लोग, इसके टीम में लोग, अभी ये कैसे एक साथ आएंगे. I was fascinated to see it unfold on screen when I watched the movie. So ये जो theories है ना, वो theories सुनने में मजा मुझे अब बहुत आ रहा है. But I'm sure you will also enjoy watching it unfold when it really happens.
Acha, if given a chance, which mythological character you will pick to make a movie out of?
I'm fascinated with all of them. But actually, I've in Marathi literature, there's this one character that a lot of amazing literature has been written about, which is Karna. And I feel he's a very, very fascinating character to work around. And I hope I can do something with him.
There are already reports that you are doing something with
No,
him.
I am attempting something. ये रिपोर्ट कहाँ से आया पता है? ये थोड़ा बहुत ही रिसर्च लेवल पे मैंने कई बात किसी से की है और वो लीक हो गई है इन्फॉर्मेशन. एक होता है ना विश लिस्ट पे अपने कि यार ये भी करके देखते हैं, ये भी करके देखते हैं, ये थोड़ा तो ये वहां से आ रहा है. बट आई डू फील दैट आई हैव नॉट रीच्ड दैट पॉइंट विद दैट स्टोरी और दैट कैरेक्टर वेयर आई एम कन्विंस्ड कि यार ये होना ही चाहिए. व्हेन आई रीच देयर आई विल डेफिनेटली एट दैट पॉइंट इफ आई फील कि यार ये नहीं हो रहा है तो मे बी आई विल नॉट.
Oh.
Yeah.
How does your future in MHCU looks like? Which is the next film you're getting onto?
Maybe the next film that I'm looking forward to in MSU could be Shakti Shalini. Maybe it could be something else. Maybe it could be Munja too. I think it's right now. I feel we are at a very right point now to get a sense of where we are in the Maddock horror comedy universe, because we know we are midway somewhere. There's a lot more to follow. And there's a lot less time to develop all of this, because we don't want to pull on the audience excitement for 2 years. वो सही भी नहीं उनके लिए. तो अगर इतने क्विक टर्न अराउंड में डिलीवर करना है तो आई थिंक फॉर मी इट्स द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग पार्ट ऑफ इट इज टू सी टू इट दैट आई गेट माय राइट टाइम टू मेक माय फिल्म एंड आई एम मोस्ट कन्विंस्ड अबाउट. तो वी आर एक्सप्लोरिंग क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते. एंड डेफिनेटली एट द राइट टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू मेक दैट राइट अनाउंसमेंट.
Aditya, as a filmmaker, there is a debate going on in the industry right now for actors' fixed shift hours.
Correct.
As a filmmaker, how do you look at it, and does it anywhere affect the workflow?
It does. I'll tell you what, I do feel that as a filmmaker, as anybody working in this industry, there has to be certain understanding of how many hours an individual should work. बहुत बार taken for granted किया जाता है कि ये तो सब 24 घंटे काम करेंगे. It takes a toll, physically, mentally on you. I think a 12-hour shift is a very practical and a very understandable work hours to do when you're shooting. Because 12 hours, you need to get a certain amount of work done if you're making a film with a certain budget. To do anything beyond that is not right. And I feel I've seen that happen a lot many times, जहाँ पे लोग शूटिंग खत्म करके घर भी नहीं जा पाते हैं, वो इमीडिएटली फ्रेशन अप होके आए, रात सोते नहीं है लोग, एंड दे कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्किंग, एंड दैट्स अ वेरी अनफेयर प्रैक्टिस.
Right.
But to have a practice where you're not even working 12 hours, you're working for 6 and 7 and 8 hours. I think as an actor, sometimes you have to look your best, you have to perform your best, you have to give it your best. आप स्क्रीन पे दिख रहे हो. That demand coming with a certain sense, उसका एक बैकग्राउंड समझना बहुत जरूरी है.
Right.
कि डिमांड क्यों आ रहा है. Because I think दीपिका का से शुरुआत हुई है. You have to understand where it is coming from. Why is she asking for 8 hours? ऐसे एक जेनरिक स्टेटमेंट करके फायदा नहीं है. बट इफ यू आर एन एक्टर, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप 12 घंटे भी आपके फुल एनर्जी में काम कर सकते हो और आप उतने ही अच्छे दिखोगे और उतना ही 100% दे पाओगे, व्हाई नॉट. अगर आपको लगता है कि 8 घंटे मेरे लिए वो सही है और मैं नहीं 8 घंटे के ऊपर कर पाता हूँ, तो अगेन इट्स इंडिविजुअल चॉइस. नाउ इफ परेश जी, when Paresh ji came on board on our film, he was going through health treatment. And he was in fact at a point where it said कि आदित्य मुझे नहीं लगता मैं फिल्म कर पाऊंगा because I need some time off. मैं डॉक्टर ने said कि आप इतना मत करो. We said सर हम आपको कम टाइम में काम खत्म करेंगे आपको रेस्ट भी मिलेगा और आप घर जाके थोड़ा आराम करके भी आ सकते हो और वी अंडरस्टैंड एट योर एज नाउ वी डोंट वांट टू पुश यू तो इट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑल्सो टू मेक इट कंफर्टेबल फॉर हिम सो दैट ही कैन गिव इट हिज बेस्ट एंड ही डजंट लुक ड्रेन्ड ही डजंट लुक टायर्ड ही डजंट लुक आउट ऑफ touch on screen so it depends on actor to actor now Rashmika when she comes she works for 12 hours
Okay.
never ever has she said कि I'm tired maybe because she's at a point in her life the energy that kicks in the kind of work she puts in for her it's okay but it doesn't have to be one rule applies all of that and I do feel that if an actor and a director come on the same page on the time that they need to make the film then great if they don't then they should not work together and it's okay it's completely okay that they find each other in a certain sense where they are working logic so it could
When I met you, and there are already a lot of reports of who has been cast, who has not been cast. There are reports that Pratibha is already on board. What do you have to say about
yeah
that?
I don't know where this Pratibha's story came from I'm sure it is again a rumor
Okay.
because वो definitely नहीं है that's not how it is कंफर्म आगे जाके करना कि और कौन हो सकता है या वो हो सकती है कि नहीं हो सकती है अभी ये इज नॉट द राइट टाइम बिकॉज वी नो राइट नाउ मुंजा की जो कोर टी है शर्वरी और ये वो है ही फिल्म वो तो ऐसे नहीं कि आई रेड अ रिव्यू वेयर एन आर्टिकल वेयर पीपल सेड कि शी इज रिप्लेस शर्वरी ये हो ही नहीं सकता इट कांट हैपन विदाउट शी इज एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ द मुंजा फैमिली तो आगे जाके और नए नए एंट्रेंस इस दुनिया में कौन आएंगे आई थिंक वो जब भी उस फिल्म का टाइम आए और जब भी कंफर्म हो जाए ये बात करेक्ट है तभी आपको अनाउंसमेंट मिलेगी यार आई एम श्योर when that announcement happens then you'll feel more excited
Right, I'm sure about that too. Lastly, I just want to, there are a lot of discussion about the actors' entourage also. And I'm sure producers look out mainly, but as a director on a film set, especially out of Thama, do Rashmika and Ayushman has a certain way
Yeah.
or are they simple going?
with them I can definitely tell you they're very easy to work on because an actor does need a certain set of people around him or to make his life more easy because it's a very challenging and a tough physical and emotional ask to go in front of the camera and deliver. So if you have enough people around you to make that easy, then I'm completely always in favor of that idea. But how many are enough is very important. And these two have the correct amount of people where you have a makeup team, where you do hair makeup. You have a team that looks into your costume. We have a couple of people there. You have a personal security guy because you are shooting outdoors sometimes. You never know who's going to come from where. Your private space has to be somewhere as an actor. It definitely is important. And you have one personal individual who's looking at your food, what you're eating, what's not. These are enough number of people. Now, if you move around the entourage of 20 and 15, and I've heard of those stories also, I think that's a totally unfair because as a producer, to take on that bigger burden is not right. But to also say कि आप टीम के साथ आओ ही मत, आप सब अपना करो, that is not something I would say makes sense also. तो I feel again किसका कितना क्या है वो एक इंडिविजुअल है बट अगर आप मुझे फिल्म मेकर पूछो I would hate it if my film is like full of people who are not required to be there. सेट पे जितने लोगों का काम है उतने ही लोग जरूरी है तो अगर सेट पे ऐसे बहुत लोग आ जाते हैं just dilutes the whole vibe of a set. With Ayushman's team and Rashmika's team, they're completely aware because they are professionals. You know कहाँ तक आए, कितना indulge करे और कितना काम करे. So with these two actors, I had an amazing day, kind of working because they are so professional. With Rashmika's injury, she had broken a leg.
Yeah.
Ayushman was also going through a personal patch in the middle where he was going through a difficult time. Both of them have never ever on my set made me ever aware or feel that they need personal time off. She has healed, she has pushed herself to do stunts and action. And he's always been on the first shot on point with what he has to do. So it's amazing to work with good actors here. And for a director, na mera kaam आधा easy हो जाता है.
Thank you so much, Aditya. It was so lovely chatting with you
Same
today.
here, same here.
Thank you.
I had a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Aditya Sarpotdar, the director of Thama, and you're watching me on News 18.